Well, hello, how are you? I'm gonna make it into the sky and coming back to me, be careful, don't get wet. And I'm gonna introduce you to Jordi and Elia. Who is Jordi and who is Elia? Jordi is
Elio.
yeah, Raul. Hey, hi, what's up? So, we are here in Barracas, and I'm gonna show them a little bit of Barracas, right? Am I right or what? Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna show them. Okay, just a second. Let's go there, let's go there, let's go there. So, it's raining a lot, but anyway, I have an umbrella. Ella, hey. So that's Barracas. And guess what? There's nobody, which is not good. But anyway, it's okay, it's fun and it's good. And yeah, oh that's nice. They are kissing because they are a couple. And yeah, so hey, so nice. Is it nice or what? Leave a comment below if you think it's nice or is too kitschy. Maybe it is. No. So our friends are there, over there, and that's the Barracas of Rugby, which is good. It's good. You see? So I'm gonna make it out to the floor. Going back to me, this is the third video vlog today, which is too much already. So it's what time is it? What time is it?
I don't know.
Oh, sorry. 4:60. 4:16. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna make it out to the floor. And coming back to me. What? Coming back to us and say enjoy your